welcome to my channel. And this is part 2 of Elasticsearch in depth. So in today's session is a continuation of my previous session. And before proceeding with the session, please subscribe my channel. You can press the subscribe button. You can also press the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming videos. So let's proceed with today's session. It's a part 2 of search box query. So in previous session, I was showing you some scenario like this, where I have all the single value columns, and if I'm searching with John, it should reflect me the result. If I'm searching with John and Smith, where I don't find anything together John Smith, then it should not reflect any result. Now today my scenario is something like this. Means suppose in the UI in the front page I have the John Smith altogether, and John is suppose in the database John is in the first name and Smith is in the last name. I've stored it separately. Now what I want, if I'm searching with John Smith, it should reflect me the result. If I'm searching with John, it works in the same way. So what actually is, the table contains multiple fields value. Yeah, okay. So let's proceed with today's session, and Kibana, I'll be showing you how it works. So in the last session I was just comparing you these two queries of mine. Now see, and this query I have rejected for my scenario, this one, okay, and this one I accepted. What was the basic difference of here? I am giving it separately, the query string query for all the fields. There I was giving all together. Now in today's session, in my today's scenario, will these two type of query string will work or not? Let's check it out. So obviously I'll search with if I'm searching with Olivia, it will definitely give me the result. In the previous session I have shown you. If you haven't watched the previous session, please go and watch. Now if I'm searching with Olivia Brown, it should give me the result which it was giving me in the while I was showing you over there. Now this was not giving me Olivia Brown. While I was writing Olivia Brown altogether, it was not giving me results. So that was my scenario in my previous table, in which I'm having all the fields having single value, right? Now what will I do? How can I make these for my today's scenario? How can I make these two query same? So what I have to write, see, first understand the scenario. Here I'm writing all these two fields together. So in my query string query, what I have to write, I have to give all this field together, right? Fields. Make it as an array. Now my next one is employee last name. Now search the same thing, Olivia PR. So in today's, you can make it as a note, like whenever I have one column in my UI and I'm searching something on the basis of that result, then I have to give those fields which are coming all together in the same query string query. Okay, now search, it will give me the result. So basically these two query today, finally it matches and it is giving me the same result. Okay, now also one thing I can do, suppose I want the result but in a sorted way. So how can we sort the result? In the sorting thing I have already explained in my previous videos, which was Elasticsearch for beginners. You can watch if you don't know how to sort and all that stuff. So here, suppose I want to sort on the basis of first name. Okay, employee first name. I'm giving here keyword. I've explained you in that session why I'm giving here keyword and not only the name. You can watch that session. Now my sorting is working or not. So this is basically my landing page while I'm giving star over here. See, my sorting is working. O S E. I'm sorry, the first name, right? In ascending order. Oh, it's last name. Sorting on the basis of last name. Yeah, so Brown first, B and yeah, it's working fine. So this is how this is a query for landing page. I'm giving star. I'm sorting all the my result on the base on ascending order. You can make it as a descending if you want. Just as simple as that. That's it. So what happened? This you can use this query in today's scenario. You can also write over your sorting. So that's all for today's session of search box query. And for more session, for more upcoming like a different scenario, I'll be posting videos soon. So thank you for watching today's session. Thank you. If you have any doubt, please post your comment in the comments, question in the comment section and let me know. Okay, thank you so much for watching.